to a wicked man who maligned him, he remarked, "You level accusations against us all for this very reason, so that in our haste to vindicate ourselves, we may find no leisure to expose your own vices." When a citizen remarked that a good king ought to be mild-mannered, he answered, "Yes, but only so far as to not invite contempt." When a sophist delivered a lengthy discourse on courage, Cleomenes laughed. The sophist questioned his laughter, noting that the topic was courage, which a king ought to value. He replied, "I would react no differently if I heard a swallow lecture on courage, but if it were an eagle, I would give him my full attention." When the Argives claimed they would renew the war to redeem their defeat, he remarked, "How admirable you are, that the mere addition of 2 syllables has rendered you more powerful than you were before." To a man who insulted him by calling him abrasive, he retorted, "It is better to be rough than to be unjust, yet you are money-hungry, despite already possessing great wealth." When questioned as to why the Spartans did not annihilate the Argives after conquering them, given their constant warfare, he answered, "Nor shall we ever annihilate them, for we need them to serve as drill masters for our young men." When questioned as to why Spartans do not consecrate enemy spoils to the gods, he answered, "Because they were captured from cowards." O Greek from another city, announce to the Lacedaemonians that here we lie within this earth, faithful to the orders of Sparta.
Ο Ξύν, αγγέλην Λακεδαιμονής, ότι τι δεκείμεθα της κείνων ρήμαση πειθόμενοι.